Dear student, this is class ninth computer science and today we will discuss chapter 3rd types of software. Software. Software refer to the intangible parts of a computer that enables it to perform various kind of jobs. It is a set of instruction or data in form of program and procedure that manage and control the operation of a computer. It tells the computer what to do, when to do, and how to do. Now, softwares are of two types: system software and application software. Now, come to system software. System software is responsible for controlling a computer internal operation, handling input output device and scheduling the task. Means whatever function performed by a computer all is managed by a system software. System software can be further classified in operating system, language processor, device driver, and utility software. Now, operating system. Operating system is a program which act as an interface between user and the hardware. It control and manage the hardware and enable a user to conveniently handle the computer and make the best use of its hardware. It acts as a bridge between a user and a hardware. Some examples of operating system are Mac OS, Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Now, language processor. A language processor is a software that translates the language of any program written in other than machine language into machine language so that a computer can understand, interpret and execute the work that is given by the user. Means a translator can translate the language of high level language or assembly language into machine language. The high level language or assembly language are known as source code, and when it is translated to the machine language it is known as object code. Now the types of language processor are assembler, interpreter and compiler. Now first, assembler. An assembler is a language processor that translates a program written in assembly language into a machine language program. Assembly language is a low-level language that used mnemonics code and symbols, and assembler can translate the program written in assembly language into machine language. Compiler. A compiler is a language processor that translates high level language into machine language program. A compiler read source code at one go and display all the error in the program with their respective line numbers, and when all the errors are corrected it can translate whole program in one go. Means whole program written in high level language in assembly language in machine language in one go. Interpreter. An interpreter is a language processor that translates high level language into machine language program by converting and executing it line by line. If there is any error in any line, it report it at the same time, and program execution cannot resume until the error is rectified. Means it can translate high level language into machine language line by line, and at the same time it can display all the error that it find in a line, and it cannot translate the other line until the error is rectified. After the rectification of all the errors in all the lines, it can translate the high level language program into machine level language program. This is all about some topics related to this chapter. Thank you.